Hey there, dreamers and doers. Welcome back to NetProfitNinja, the channel where we turn your passions into possibilities. Today we're diving into something game-changing, how to turn your everyday hobbies into YouTube gold in 2025. That's right, your love for baking, gardening, gaming, or even knitting could be the key to building a thriving YouTube channel. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's unlock the secret together. Let's face it, YouTube isn't just a platform anymore, it's a lifestyle. And in 2025, the competition is fierce, but the opportunities, they're endless. The secret? Your hobbies. Yes, those things you already love doing in your free time. The key is knowing how to package them in a way that resonates with your audience. Let's break it down. Step 1. Find your niche within your hobby. You might love cooking, but so do millions of others. The trick is to narrow it down. Are you the budget meal prep guru, the dessert decorator extraordinaire, or maybe the one-pan wonder chef? Find what makes your approach unique and own it. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're into fitness. That's a broad category, right? But what if you focused on yoga for busy moms or 10-minute workouts for students? Suddenly, you're not just another fitness channel, you're the go-to expert for a specific audience, and that's where the magic happens. Another example, let's say you love gaming. Instead of just playing popular games, you could focus on retro gaming reviews or speedrunning tips for beginners. By narrowing your focus, you attract a dedicated audience who shares your passion. Here's a pro tip: research your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, and social media hashtags to see what people are searching for. This will help you identify gaps in the market and position yourself as an authority. Step 2. Create content that solves a problem. People don't just watch YouTube for entertainment, they're looking for solutions. If you're into gardening, teach them how to grow herbs in small spaces. If you're a gamer, show them how to beat that impossible level. Give your audience something they can't find anywhere else. Think about it. Why do people watch YouTube? They're searching for answers, inspiration, or guidance. Your hobby-based content should provide value. For instance, if you're into DIY crafts, create tutorials that solve common problems, like how to fix a broken vase or how to upcycle old clothes. When you solve problems, you build trust and loyalty with your audience. Let's take another example. If you're passionate about photography, don't just post pretty pictures. Teach your viewers how to take better photos with a smartphone or how to edit photos like a pro using free apps. By addressing their pain points, you position yourself as an authority in your niche. Here's a bonus tip. Use your video titles and descriptions to highlight the problem you're solving. For example, instead of "how to bake a cake," try "how to bake a perfect cake in 30 minutes or less." This immediately tells your audience what they'll gain from watching your video. Step 3. Be consistent and authentic. Consistency is the secret sauce of YouTube's success. Post regularly, but don't sacrifice quality for quantity. And here's the kicker. Be yourself. People don't just follow hobbies, they follow people. Let your personality shine through. Consistency doesn't mean you have to post every single day. It means setting a schedule that works for you and sticking to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, your audience will appreciate knowing when to expect new content from you. Now let's talk about authenticity. In a world of filters and perfectly curated feeds, being real is refreshing. Share your successes, but don't be afraid to show your failures too. Remember that time I tried to make a souffle and it turned into a pancake? I shared it, and my audience loved it because it was relatable. Perfection is overrated. Authenticity is where it's at. Here's another way to stay authentic. Share your journey. Let your audience see the behind the scenes of your hobby. Whether it's your first attempt at a new recipe or the struggles of learning a new skill, your audience will appreciate your honesty and vulnerability. Now here's the bonus tip: leverage trends without losing your identity. In 2025, trends move fast. Stay updated, but don't lose sight of what makes you you. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and topics, but always tie them back to your unique perspective. For example, let's say the quiet luxury trend is blowing up. If you're into fashion, you could create a video on how to achieve a quiet luxury look on a budget. If you're a home decor enthusiast, you could showcase minimalist DIY projects that scream quiet luxury. The key is to adapt trends to fit your niche, not the other way around. Another way to leverage trends is by participating in challenges or using popular audio clips. But remember, always add your own twist. If everyone is doing the same thing, how will you stand out? Be creative and stay true to your brand. Here's a pro tip. Use YouTube's Explore tab and social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram to stay on top of trends. The sooner you jump on a trend, the more visibility you'll gain. Now, let's talk about monetization strategies for hobby-based channels. Turning your hobbies into YouTube gold isn't just about views. It's about creating multiple streams of income. Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn money from ads. But don't rely solely on this. Diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely love and earn a commission for every sale. For example, if you're a beauty enthusiast, share your favorite skincare products and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. 3. Sell your own products. If you're into crafting, sell your handmade items. If you're a fitness guru, create an ebook or online course. The possibilities are endless. 4. Brand collaborations. As your channel grows, brands will want to work with you. Choose partnerships that align with your values and resonate with your audience. 5. Memberships and Patreon. Offer exclusive content or perks to your most loyal fans in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. This is a great way to build a community and generate steady income. Next, let's discuss content ideas to keep your channel fresh and engaging. Here are some examples based on popular hobbies. Cooking, baking, share quick recipes, kitchen hacks, or themed cooking challenges. For example, 3-ingredient desserts or cooking with only pantry staples. Gardening. Create tutorials on plant care, seasonal gardening tips, or DIY garden projects. For example, how to build a vertical garden or best plants for small spaces. Gaming. Post gameplay walkthroughs, reviews, or funny moments. You could also host live streams to interact with your audience in real time. Fitness. Share workout routines, fitness challenges, or wellness tips. For example, yoga for stress relief or 10-minute home workouts. Arts and crafts. Create tutorials, time-lapse videos, or showcase your creative process. For example, how to paint a landscape or DIY home decor ideas. Travel. Share destination guides, packing tips, or budget travel hacks. For example, how to travel Europe on $50 a day. Now, let's talk about engaging with your audience. Building a community is just as important as creating great content. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and involve your viewers in your creative process. For example, you could ask them to vote on your next video topic or share their own hobby-related stories. Another way to engage your audience is by hosting Q&A sessions or live streams. This gives you a chance to connect with your viewers on a deeper level and show them the person behind the channel. Here's a pro tip. Use polls and community posts to keep your audience engaged between videos. This not only boosts interaction but also gives you valuable insights into what your viewers want to see. Finally, let's touch on staying motivated. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. There will be days when you feel discouraged, but remember why you started. Focus on your passion and the value you're providing to your audience. Surround yourself with like-minded creators who inspire and support you. Join online communities, attend workshops, and never stop learning. The more you grow, the more opportunities will come your way. Here's a motivational tip. Celebrate small wins. Whether it's hitting 100 subscribers or receiving a positive comment, take a moment to appreciate your progress. Every big YouTuber started somewhere. Remember, your hobbies are more than just pastimes. They're potential gold mines. Whether you're into photography, fitness, or even birdwatching, there's an audience out there waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating, start sharing, and start turning your passions into profit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. And hey, check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.